This is a Soundboard app. It's just for fun. Some people might underrate this app, but I would like to let you know that this app makes a lot of money from Google AdMob. Let me show you how. This is a loading page. You can use it both online and offline. But the reason why mobile applications that run online makes more money than those who are running offline is because of the fact that the ones that requires data connection would actually display Google AdMob ads. So if you want to build an app that you can earn money from through Google AdMob, then it needs to require data connection to run. So you can see here, this app, and you can see an advertisement being displayed on the top layout. This advertisement is a Facebook ad. Facebook is running a promotion now using Google Ads. If you want to know the kind of ad that is running, you can click on this, button above to basically check through. It's a Google ad. And as you guys can see, this is what we call the native ad. Native AdMob ads is being displayed on the top layout of the app here. The sub layout here has sound effect section. So other apps that is owned by this developer is being promoted under the same app. If you click on this tab now, it will take you to the Play Store page when you see his other apps. So let's click on sound. As you can see, the native ad has been displayed to us second time. In less than 2 minutes, we have seen another ad for the second time. This is a native ad. It counts as 2 impressions. I'm just a single person using this application now. So imagine if 5,000 daily active users are making use of this app. Each of us are going to be seeing like 3 ads in the amount of time we have spent on the app. Other people could see up to like 10 ads. Other people could see up to 3 ads. So I've done the calculation, and let's say averagely, if out of the 5,000 daily active users, each of them see like 3 ads, that's going to count as 15,000 impressions for 5,000 daily active users on an app that has over 50,000 downloads. So let's scroll down and play some of the sounds here. You can see it's just like a weird app. You think the developer did just stupid thing here, but this app is making up to $1,000 from Google AdMob. Click on this 3 dot and see. You can basically set it as a ringtone, as an alarm, SMS notification, and then you can share it across to other people. So this app is just like a very simple app, and you can as well preview here to know more about the app. So you click here for the disclaimer, because whenever you're building an app, make sure you add a disclaimer or privacy policy over there, because all apps on Google Play Store and Apple App Store must come with privacy policy, so as for you to be on the safer side. You can basically develop this same kind of app or something different on our course. We teach you how to develop mobile apps without coding and how to monetize them with Google AdMob and deploy them on Google Play Store. For you guys to know how it is easy to make money on Google AdMob, you can see this is just a simple page app. It's a number of sound effects, the goat sound effect. So if you scroll down, it just have like 28 audios, but the interface of the app is fine. You can develop the same app and make money. You can develop something different to this. You can use the skill set you are going to learn from our no-code course on how to develop your own app. You can build an app that has to do it like motivational audio. You can build inspirational audio. You can build any kind of app that has to do it like audio and sound effect. You can build ringing tone app. You can build any kind of sound app. It must not be exactly the same app as this developer has developed. But you can build another app that basically has this same functionality, and people will love to use your app. Who won't love to use this kind of app? This one is for fun, but the developer is on one hand making money. And see, while making use of the app, another advertisement has popped up. This is what they call interstitial ad. This is an AdMob interstitial advertisement, and this is the 3rd time we are seeing an ad on this app. So if let's say we spend a maximum of 3 minutes on this app, we would have seen like 3 advertisements. If 5k daily active people have seen the same advertisement as I've seen now, that means the app has generated a total of 15,000 ad views per day. Advertisements from Facebook are not cheap ads. They are quite average advertisements. So once you get this kind of ad, the developer is expected to make between the range of $2.5 to $4.5 for every 1,000 advertisement displayed from this kind of company. Let's click on the X sign above to cancel the ad. Even if you cancel the ad, in as much as you have seen the ad, the developer of the app will make money. So that's it. Even if you cancel the ad, the developer of the app will still make money. So let's get to the developer page of this guy to find out. You can see another ad is popping up. This is the 4th time I'm seeing an ad on this app. So you click on this, and that's it. So now let's go to this section, more apps. So you can see he has other app like card sounds with 100k plus downloads, wide ball sounds with 50k plus downloads, under 50k plus downloads here, under 10k plus 10k 50k. This guy just have like a simple app development knowledge. This guy could be making anywhere between $15,000 to $20,000 every single month from Google AdMob from just these simple apps. You can see 50k downloads, 10k, 100k. And others, another 100k downloads, under 50k downloads, under 10k downloads, under 100k downloads. The skill set he has gotten is just how to develop simple sound effect application, and he's applying the skill set for maximum earning from Google AdMob. If you want to earn money on AdMob, do it by yourself. Learn how to do this thing by yourself professionally. This guy have possibly amassed up to 1 million downloads all across his apps, because if an app is like 100k plus downloads, that means the app is within the range of 100k to 499,000 downloads. You can see a couple of 100k downloads over here. For example, this other sound effect app. Who will believe that someone else is there searching for rooster sounds? For God's sake, this guy developed the same app. Other people are even charging for the same app. So what I'm trying to let you guys know is what? It is possible to make money from Google AdMob and on Google Play Store with your skill set as an app developer. Just do the right thing. Join our no-code course right now because we are targeting 100 people. Once the 100 students are gotten, then that means we are going to focus on what? On teaching those 100 people to greatness. Click on this. If you scroll down, you can see different animal sounds. The market is open. Look at this one. Screaming Goat Sound has over 500,000 downloads. 500,000 downloads, and this is the one we're talking about. So here's the app I just reviewed. If you scroll down here, you can see the app has like 50,000 downloads. I'm going to be doing the analysis of this app now. It has like 50,000 downloads and it has not been published for too long. If you click on the developer page, you can see the developer has amassed up to like 1 million downloads in total. Look at the apps. Just a single simple skill set. He knows how to develop sound app and he focuses on the development of sound apps alone. A single sound app could pay you $1,000 a month. If you want to learn how to develop this kind of apps and maybe monetize those applications, Google AdMob, publish them on Play Store, on Apple App Store, click on the link in the description right now and join our course. We are targeting just 100 people, and those are going to be the students we are going to be focusing on. So be among the first 100 to join the course. Click on the link in the description now to learn more. See, other app has, in the same niche, 500k downloads and 50k plus downloads. You won't believe that someone is there promoting this kind of apps, animal sounds with over 1 million downloads. Someone else is there promoting them because they know how much they are making from Google AdMob. Nobody's going to tell you this secret. Now you can see sponsored. You can see someone here promoting his, because of the competition, promoting his own app, over 1 million downloads already. This app is within the range of 1 million to 5 million downloads already, and it's earning the developer thousands of dollars every single day from Google AdMob, and that's why the developer is promoting it. If it's not profitable, nobody's going to be promoting. Nobody's going to tell you all this. And these are simple ways to make money. You can make money while you're sleeping without having to waste your time. If you can make your first $1 on Google AdMob, then you are sure to make your first $10, and from that you can make $100, and from that $500, $1,000. What I'm trying to let you know is on Google AdMob you can generate up to 1,000 plus euros per month, which is like 1,000 plus US dollars. You can generate up to this extent. So I'm going to be using dollars for the sake of this video. There are some apps that have like $7 eCPM or 7 euros eCPM. This 7 euro eCPM is the amount that you are going to get, that Google AdMob will pay you when you hit like 1,000 ad views, when your app hits every 1,000 ad views. So even if your app is generating like 2,000 ad views a day and you have an app that has a very high eCPM, that means you are expected to generate up to what? You can generate up to double of this amount every single day. Like, so that means if you have like 5,000 users on your app now, you can generate that kind of money. If you have like 2,000 users on your app, you can generate this kind of money every single day from Google AdMob. Imagine generating up to like 14 euros without doing anything, just building simple apps. This is not what the app is all about yet. Let me show you an AdMob earnings that complement that kind of app. This is like 1,000 euros per month last month. So now, and the app could be generating something like that, so like what? 37 euros every single day. That's like $40. Yesterday 65 euros. So between the range of what? $30 to $60 every single day from Google AdMob, and that means you are expected to generate up to $1,000 or 1,000 euros every single month from Google AdMob. The app has like 50,000 downloads. That is 50k plus downloads. That 50k plus downloads means the app is between the range of 50,000 to 99,000 downloads. What we are expected to earn from Google AdMob with that kind of app is what? If you have 50,000 downloads and 10% of your app make use of your app every single day, 10%, just 10% of the app make use of the app every single day. That's 5,000 app users. 5,000 app users could spend like 3 minutes on that kind of app, or 2 minutes on that kind of app, or 5 minutes on that kind of app. So if you see, like for example, when I spend the time on the app, I saw like 4 or 5 ads, right? So if for every advertisement seen is counted as 1 impression. So if people see that kind of ad, let's say 5,000 people see advertisement 3 times on the app before they leave the app every single day, that is like 50,000 impression a day. That means if the app has like 50k users and it's generating like 15,000 ad impression every single day, that's like 1,000 in 15 places, right? So what we're expected to earn from that kind of app every single day is what? If the eCPM of the app is around $2.5, if the amount Google pays for every 1,000 ad views displayed is like $2.5, that means the app is expected to earn approximately $37.5 US every single day, 37.80 euros a day. You can see it here. It has to do with proper calculation and what you need to do. In this case, when you are generating like 37.5 USD every single day, multiplied by 30 days, that's like what? 1,125 euros or 1,200 plus US dollars every single month from Google AdMob. So it's quite possible. Just know how to develop app and know how to deploy them, know how to monetize them properly. So let's cancel this now. In the case of 65 USD every single day, divided by what? 15,000 impression. So the 15,000 impression now is what? Is 1,015 places, right? So that 15,000 impression on the app every single day is generating like what? That means the eCPM of the app could be at the range of $4.5 every single day. So there are times whereby eCPM fluctuates. Some eCPM could be around $2.5 per 1,000 ad views. Some eCPM will be around $4.5 per 1,000 ad views. So for every 1,000 ad views displayed on your app to your app users, Google will pay you around $4.5. Depends on the kind of app. So there are times whereby you have higher eCPM than other times. So now in the case of $4.5 as 1,000 ad views earning, for the 5,000 daily active users who are seeing up to like what? 5,000 daily active users are seeing up to 3 ads per day. That's like 15,000 ads every single day from an app with 50,000 downloads. 15,000 ads, which represents 15 here, times the amount Google pays for every 1,000 ad views, in this case $4.5. That's like $67 every single day. And it's possible with that you can multiply by 30 days and be able to generate up to what? Like $2,000 every single month. So since it fluctuates, at times eCPM is 2.5, at times eCPM is 4.5, we are going to be maintaining average, which is going to be around maybe $1,000 or more every single month from Google AdMob with an app that has 50,000 plus downloads and 5,000 plus daily active users. At time making money online or making money from software business is not necessarily dependent on the total number of what downloads you have. Someone might have 5,000 app users and might be making money more than someone that has 1 million users. For example, now your app has like, as you can see here, 5,290 monthly active users. This app has this monthly active users, and daily active users is like 1,250 daily active users. But the amount of money this app is earning every single month is somehow. This app is up to like $1,600 because this particular app makes money through what we call Google Play billings, like in-app purchases. You have to implement them on your app. Once you implement them on your app, so people that want to remove advertisement from your app will pay you, let's say, certain amounts a month for them to make use of your app, and you make money through that. So if you want to learn how to develop app and monetize with all these available options, click on the link in the description and join us now. Join the Telegram channel as well, because every announcement I'm going to be making is going to be made there. This is another scenario. Last month around €1,700, and this month €1,060. You can generate up to this amount based on the calculation I've done before. It's still within this range. €26 a day, €55 a day. If you do the calculation perfectly, you are going to be generating in the last 28 days like $1,000 or more. So if you have like 5,000 daily active users who are seeing advertisements, like 15k ads in a day total, and from the 15,000 impression, your eCPM is like around maybe $2.5 to $4.5. You are expected to earn this kind of money. So if you don't do Google AdMob calculation, you're going to be losing a lot of money. Clear view with evidence of what the amount of impression that has been generated every single day. So if you guys want to learn how to develop apps, how to deploy apps, how to build apps like this without coding, and how to monetize them with Google AdMob, click on the link in the description and be among the first.